Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about Daemonset in our Kubernetes for Beginners series, right? Today we talk about what is a Daemonset. So in simple language, a Daemonset is actually the Kubernetes API object that makes sure that a specific, that makes sure that every single pod run on the node. So in simple language, a Kubernetes deployment, a Daemonset in Kubernetes is actually the Kubernetes API resource that makes sure that a copy of a pod run on every single node. So if you want to have a copy of your pod running on every single node, you will use Daemonset. And a good example of this is that, for example, when you look at monitoring tool out there, like Datadog, for example, Splunk, stuff like Elasticsearch, so those use Daemonset. Why? If you want to collect log, of all your pod, we all know that pod log stays inside the node, and the node is just a virtual machine. So if you want to collect log of your pod, you will make sure that a copy, let's say I want to deploy Datadog, and Datadog is actually what is used to collect metrics and send, and so that we can see all those metrics in a nice dashboard. Or Datadog also collect logs. If I want to collect logs of all my pod, I need to make sure that my Datadog agent, which is going to run as a pod, is also deployed on every single node. So that's something crucial. So if you want to make sure that you deploy a pod on every single node, you have to actually go ahead and use something called Daemonset, right? You have to actually go ahead and use something called Daemonset. So Daemonset is actually what we make sure that a copy of a pod run on every single node, for example. So let's go to the terminal and try to demonstrate this. So I have this file here, and we have a Daemonset here. So the image is nginx. As you guys can see, if I say kubectl get node, I have actually 4 nodes. These are all my nodes here. Now, I have a file here called ksl.yaml, which is actually the file that contains this Daemonset. I will go ahead and apply it. Good, been applied. If I say kubectl get Daemonset, you will see that I actually have one Daemonset, and Daemonset run as a pod, and it is actually 4. Why is it 4? If I say kubectl get node, as you can see here, I have 4 nodes. Since I have 4 nodes, I'm going to end up having 4 Daemonset. Why? Because every single Daemonset run inside a specific node, and it's only 1 pod per node. If I type kubectl get Daemonset here -o white, for example, to check on which node those runs. So kubectl get Daemonset -o white. Let me say kubectl get pod -o white, so that we see that. Now, our Daemonset pod is called beginner's Daemonset. So we won't be able to see that here because that run as a Daemonset. So it's not going to be visible here. But as you guys can see, when I type kubectl get Daemonset, it show me this. Now, if I type kubectl get pod, kubectl get Daemonset, give me this. If I type kubectl get node, I have 4 nodes. Therefore, because I have 4 nodes, I will end up with 4 Daemonset. So number of nodes will be equal to the number of Daemonset. So if I go ahead now and kill one of my node, I will end up with 3 Daemonset. So Daemonset is actually a Kubernetes object that makes sure that a copy of a pod run on every single node. That is why you can go ahead, you can see this here. I have 4 Daemonset then because I have 4 nodes. I hope you like the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.